Hi, my name's Nadine. You may have seen me working at one of our Winnipeg public libraries. Lately, I've been working on a gardening information guide. In this guide, you'll find resources such as ebooks, e-courses, instructional videos, links to community organizations, and other information of interest to new or avid gardeners in Manitoba. I also garden at home. And today I'm going to transplant a tomato seedling into a larger pot. So we generally start our seeds in these seed pellets in March or April. You just add water, they poof up nicely. And then we follow our seed package instructions and seed accordingly. This year we were gifted some tomato seeds that a friend of ours collected last fall. Unfortunately, I don't know the name of the seed, but as you can see, it's worked out very well. We planted this tomato seed about 1/4 to 1/8 of an inch into this pellet, and it's come up very well, and now we have to transplant. So in order to transplant, first thing we're going to do is we're going to add some dirt into our pot. I like to add a little water and to moisten the dirt a little bit. It might get messy. And that's okay. It's gardening. It's going to get messy. So then what I will do is carefully unwrap the tomato seedling. I personally like to take this off because it just makes me think of the 80s when I used to stuff myself into nylons. It wasn't very comfortable. When you're handling a tomato seedling, you want to make sure you handle it with the dirt around the root or with the leaves. So I'm going to carefully put that in there. The stem can be very sensitive, so you don't want to be touching it or bending it or anything if you don't have to. Now I'm just going to add some more dirt. Actually, you know what? First I'm going to add a little bit of water, because that dirt and that seedling seemed a little bit dry to me. So I'm going to add some water in there. I'm not soaking anything, I'm just dampening it. Now I'm going to add more dirt. You may have noticed on the tomato seedling that there's actually a lower set of leaves. Those leaves were the very first leaves that came out when the seed started growing. And those will eventually die off. You may also notice that I'm putting the stem into the soil, and that's okay with tomatoes. You can bury the stem a little bit, and some would argue a lot. So now I have dirt. I can even I might as well fill it right up. There we go. And now I'm going to add some more water. And we have a newly transplanted tomato. Isn't that lovely? There it is. For more information on gardening, please visit our gardening information guide. Have a great day and good luck gardening. Thanks.